Hello there, Amazon. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're checking out some of the best products on Amazon. And you guys, I love this one. It's the Step 2 Best Chef's Kitchen Playset. You guys, this is the most hyper realistic, adorable kitchen that I've ever seen. The detail in this is amazing. Your kids are gonna love it and they are going to feel like they are real chefs. There is 25 accessory pieces to go with this. I'm talking everything. You've got your skillet, your boiling water, your coffee maker, your mop bucket, so many different elements to get your little ones thinking, their imagination churning. This is going to be amazing for social play, learning to share, learning to work together, and putting themselves in real life situations where they get to use their imagination. This is an amazing playset. It's from Step 2, so it is super high quality, it's going to be durable, and it's also going to be made at the highest safety standards. It also, you can put batteries in it, and there's lights and sounds like a realistic flame and boiling water and a sizzling skillet. All of those fun little elements that your little ones are just going to absolutely love, squeal with delight, and have so much fun with this play set. It's going to add hours of entertainment. It's going to be something that they can grow up with and get a little something different out of at every age group. So you guys go ahead, put this on your registry, put this in your cart. You're going to be super glad that you did.